Hey folks! Today we're diving into a super satisfying LED upgrade on a BMW E46 instrument cluster. Here's the before, classic orange glow, and here's the after, a clean M3-inspired look. White dials, red needles. Let me show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Alright, first up, let's pull the cluster out. You'll need to remove a few screws around the dash. Nothing too crazy. Once it's free, carefully remove the plastic housing. Now comes a delicate part, removing the needles. Pro tip: always turn them counterclockwise and gently pull up. Don't rush it. These are fragile and easy to break. Next, we open up the light reflector assembly. On the E46, the entire backlighting system is lit by just a few small LEDs, and they're all located around the needle areas. These little guys light up the gauges and the needles. Time to say goodbye to the stock orange LEDs. We carefully desolder each factory diode. Take your time here. Tip: use good quality flux. It'll make your life so much easier. Also, don't cheap out on solder. I always go for a clean, leaded solder for better flow and stronger joints. Once all the stock LEDs are out, we move on to soldering in the new ones. I'm using 3528 white LEDs for the main backlighting and 2835 whites for extra brightness. These give that nice, crisp white glow, just like the M3 look. Let's move to the LCD screens. I'm replacing the orange filters with red ones to match the new aesthetic. Simple swap. Desolder the original ones and pop the red filters in. Much more modern look. Now, the needles. The only real way to get them glowing red is, yep, paint them. So I give them a solid coat of red paint, just enough for a bold glow, but still translucent. And there you go! BMW E46 cluster, fully transformed with an M3 style LED upgrade. It's modern, clean, and honestly, kinda addictive to look at. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more DIY LED projects. I've got plenty more coming. Oh, and if you're thinking about doing this mod yourself, I've put together a full step-by-step PDF guide to help you out. It's packed with detailed photos, part numbers, the exact LEDs I used, soldering tips, everything. No guesswork, no confusion, just follow it step by step. The guide is just $10, and it'll save you hours of trial and error. Whether you're a beginner or just want to do it right the first time, this is for you. I've dropped the link in the description. Check it out if you're ready to upgrade your cluster like a pro. See you in the next one!